Perplexity is best described as an answer engine. So you ask it a question, you get an answer. Except the difference is all the answers are backed by sources.
Did you know that there is a recently developed search tool that is better and more reliable than Google? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, with Perplexity AI's newly launched feature, Sonar API, get ready to experience more detailed searches that you will never find in Google. Join us as we explore this new real-time AI search tool that will blow your mind. Unveiling the Perplexity's new launch. Perplexity has unveiled an API service known as Sonar, designed to enable developers and organizations to integrate the company's generative AI search technology into their applications. The initial offering comprises two tiers, a cost-effective and rapid option named Sonar, and a premium version, Sonar Pro, which is specifically designed to manage more intricate queries. In a recent blog entry, Perplexity characterized the Sonar API as lightweight, affordable, fast, and simple to use, highlighting its features, which include citation capabilities and customizable source options. The API is particularly suited for businesses that require efficient question and answer functionalities, optimized for quick responses. For enterprises with more sophisticated needs, Perplexity will provide the Sonar Pro API, which accommodates multi-step queries, offers a larger context window for more extensive and detailed searches, and allows for greater extensibility. Additionally, it will deliver approximately double the number of citations per search compared to the standard Sonar API, according to the company. This launch positions Perplexity as a more formidable and direct competitor to major players like OpenAI and Google, as it offers users real-time, web-connected search functionalities. Perplexity's Sonar Pro has emerged as a standout performer in the competitive landscape of AI technologies, particularly highlighted by its impressive results in the Simple QA benchmark. This benchmark is designed to assess the accuracy of AI-generated responses, and Sonar Pro has consistently outperformed its leading competitors, showcasing its ability to deliver precise and reliable information. One of the most significant advantages of Sonar is its real-time capability, which positions it as a game-changer for enterprises seeking timely and relevant information. This feature allows businesses to access the latest data and insights without delay, which is crucial in today's fast-paced environment. A notable example of this integration is Zoom's incorporation of Sonar into its AI Companion 2.0 product. This collaboration enables users to retrieve real-time information seamlessly during video conferences, eliminating the need to switch between applications. Such functionality has the potential to revolutionize the way remote meetings are conducted, enhancing collaboration and research efforts within organizations. The pricing strategy for Sonar appears to be meticulously designed to disrupt the current market dynamics. The base tier is attractively priced at $5 for every 1,000 searches, with minimal additional token fees, making it accessible for a wide range of users. On the other hand, Sonar Pro, while associated with higher token costs, compensates for this with a suite of advanced features. These include increased citation density, which enhances the credibility of the information provided, and the capability to perform multiple searches simultaneously for more complex queries. This tiered pricing model not only caters to different user needs, but also encourages adoption among businesses looking for cost-effective yet powerful AI solutions. What truly sets Sonar apart from its competitors is its real-time web connectivity. Unlike many APIs that rely solely on pre-existing training data, Sonar's innovative approach allows it to tap into live information streams. This feature is particularly beneficial for enterprises that require access to the most current data, enabling them to make informed decisions based on the latest trends and developments. However, it is worth noting that this real-time capability may present challenges in situations where deterministic outputs are essential, as the variability of live data can lead to inconsistencies in responses. In the context of disruptive pricing, Perplexity is positioning itself as a provider of cost-effective AI search solutions tailored specifically for the enterprise sector. This strategic move comes at a significant moment in the rapidly evolving AI landscape, where organizations are increasingly looking to integrate advanced AI search capabilities into their products and services. Now that we've examined this new launch, let's check out how it works.
Yeah, so our advertising has been fundamentally designed to not corrupt the answer quality because someone else is paying for being part of those links.
How Sonar Pro performs recent assessments have highlighted the impressive performance of Sonar Pro, which has achieved a remarkable F-score of 85.8 on the Simple QA benchmark. This score not only reflects the service's high level of accuracy and reliability, but also places it significantly ahead of competitors such as GPT-4o and Claude. Such a strong performance underscores Perplexity's ability to meet the growing demand from enterprises for AI-generated responses that are not only precise but also supported by credible citations. As businesses continue to seek out robust AI solutions, Perplexity's offerings are well-positioned to address these needs effectively, making it a key player in the market. The timing of the launch is particularly significant, especially considering that Perplexity has demonstrated substantial market traction in recent months. This momentum is underscored by the successful completion of a $500 million funding round, which was led by institutional venture partners. This investment has resulted in a remarkable valuation of the company at $9 billion, highlighting the confidence investors have in Perplexity's potential and its innovative offerings. In an era where organizations are increasingly prioritizing artificial intelligence solutions that provide reliable and current information, Perplexity's approach stands out. Many businesses are moving away from traditional AI models that often operate as opaque, black box systems, which can obscure the reasoning behind their outputs. Instead, there is a growing demand for AI tools that not only deliver accurate insights, but also allow users to understand and verify the information being presented. This shift in preference positions Perplexity favorably in the market, as it aligns with the evolving needs of organizations seeking transparency and accountability in their AI solutions. For technical decision makers, the launch of Sonar represents a significant and innovative addition to the existing AI toolkit. Sonar is particularly well suited for applications that require real-time data access and effective citation management. This capability is crucial for professionals who need to ensure that the information they are using is not only accurate, but also properly sourced, thereby enhancing the credibility of their work. The introduction of such a tool could empower organizations to make more informed decisions based on the most current data available. However, despite these promising developments, Perplexity faces a critical challenge that might pose a threat in the future: maintaining its competitive edge. As larger competitors in the AI space begin to recalibrate their strategies in response to Perplexity's advancements, the company must navigate a rapidly changing landscape. The ability to innovate continuously, adapt to market demands, and offer compelling value propositions will be essential for Perplexity to sustain its growth and leadership position in the industry. The coming months will be remarkable in determining whether Perplexity can effectively leverage its current momentum and fend off the competitive pressures from established players in the AI market. To fully understand why this recent launch excites everyone, let's look at the mechanism of Perplexity AI. What is Perplexity AI? Perplexity AI operates as an advanced, AI-driven search engine designed to provide users with concise and accurate answers to their questions by leveraging the capabilities of large language models. Unlike traditional search engines, which typically return a list of hyperlinks that users must sift through to find relevant information, Perplexity takes a more streamlined approach. It delivers integrated information directly in a natural language format, making it easier for users to understand and engage with the content. This innovative method not only enhances the user experience by reducing the time and effort required to locate information, but also ensures that the responses are contextually relevant and coherent. Each answer provided by Perplexity is supported by citations, allowing users to verify the information and explore the sources further. Additionally, the platform offers recommendations for related topics, encouraging users to delve deeper into subjects of interest and facilitating a more comprehensive understanding of the material. By combining the strengths of AI technology with user-friendly design, Perplexity AI represents a significant evolution in the way information is accessed and consumed, catering to the needs of users who seek quick, reliable answers without the clutter of traditional search results. This approach not only saves time, but also fosters a more informed and engaged user base, as individuals can easily navigate through complex topics with the help of curated insights and resources. However, there are certain characteristics that made Perplexity AI stand out from others. Features of Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI stands out as a versatile and innovative platform with features designed to enhance user experience and functionality. One of its most notable aspects is its conversational search capability. By leveraging natural language processing, Perplexity interprets queries contextually, allowing users to interact with the platform in a conversational manner. This makes it easier to find relevant information without requiring overly specific search terms or technical phrasing. Another key strength of Perplexity AI lies in its multimodal capabilities. The platform integrates multiple large language models and image generation tools, including DALL-E 3, Playground V3, and Flux to generate text, images, and even simple code. This makes it a powerful tool not only for retrieving information, but also for content creation, catering to a wide range of needs. Perplexity Pro takes these capabilities further by offering advanced features such as the Copilot, which enhances query accuracy by asking clarifying questions. Additionally, Pro users can toggle between different LLMs, providing more flexibility and control over the search and generation process. These features make the platform especially appealing to professionals and advanced users who require precise and detailed outputs. Beyond search functionalities, Perplexity excels in content generation. It can produce various types of content, including written text and images, similar to AI chatbots like OpenAI's ChatGPT. This positions Perplexity as a comprehensive tool for users looking to create, search, and organize content within a single platform. The platform is also designed with a user-centric approach, emphasizing ease of use and accessibility. Features like swiping to delete threads and voice-based interaction on mobile devices contribute to its intuitive design, ensuring that even new users can navigate the system effortlessly. Furthermore, Perplexity's commitment to real-time information ensures users have access to up-to-date knowledge. By indexing the web daily, the platform can provide current details on topics such as breaking news and live sports scores, making it a reliable source for timely updates. In terms of usage and accessibility, Perplexity offers valuable tools to enhance user experience. Free accounts are available, allowing users to share collections and customize their preferences. The ability to organize searches into threads and collections further helps users manage and revisit their queries efficiently. Additionally, the Focus feature supports more targeted searches across platforms like YouTube, Reddit, and academic papers, broadening the scope of accessible information. By examining all these features, you'll know why everyone trusted Perplexity AI with its new launch. That means you should do so as well. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.